How to restore missing chat history on Messenger. Hey everyone, in this video tutorial, we're showing you how to restore missing chat history on Facebook Messenger app. If your conversations aren't syncing across your devices, maybe you're using Messenger on your phone, another phone, or even a laptop, and you notice some chats are just gone. Don't worry. I'll walk you through how to restore them step by step. Just follow along with this step-by-step tutorial until the end. So first, grab the device where your latest chats are still showing up correctly. This is usually your primary phone. Open the Messenger app. Tap the three horizontal lines in the top left or bottom right corner, depending on your version. Then tap the gear icon to head into Settings. In Settings, scroll down and tap Privacy and Safety. Under the Security section, tap End-to-End Encrypted Chats. Now, tap on Message Storage. This is where your encryption and message storage settings are managed. If your messages aren't syncing, here's what you need to do. Tap Reset PIN and set a new PIN code. Confirm the same PIN again. Once you've done that, you can use that same PIN on your other devices to restore and sync your encrypted chats. It basically unlocks access to your message history across all your devices. If resetting the PIN didn't do the trick, here's another method you can try. Temporarily turn off secure storage from the same message storage section. Then, try syncing your chats again on the other device. Once everything is restored, you can go right back into the settings and turn secure storage back on. This trick often helps trigger the sync process if it gets stuck. And that's it. These simple steps should help you get back your missing chats and keep Messenger synced properly across all your devices.